My name is David Malad. I'm the engineering manager at RockTech. The challenge statement for this challenge is how might we improve operator visibility of a mining vehicle while operating underground? And the sectors that are going to be particularly important for this challenge are mining and transportation. We're an original equipment manufacturer based out of Sudbury, Ontario, and we manufacture mining equipment specifically designed and built for underground applications. We specialize in three different product lines. We have mobile vehicles, which applies to mostly underground rock breakers, and fueling stations that are specifically tailored to meet underground requirements. Mining vehicles have grown more and more complex and in their nature, kind of following a similar chain to above ground cars and other vehicles that you would find above ground. These vehicles are four-wheel drive and center articulated. So the ones that we're talking about right now don't have any turning axles. They steer by moving one half of the vehicle to change direction. We're particularly focused on diesel powertrain. They're very rugged and robust and heavy. Some of them can have a carrying capacity of up to 35,000 kilograms or 77,000 pounds. They can range in a very wide range of horsepower ratings. So you can get anything from 127 horsepower all the way up to 227 horsepower. They're used for the majority for moving personnel and mining logistics. Drive all the way up to surface, load up whatever, if it's gear or cement or personnel or equipment, and travel the long drive down underground to where the equipment is needed. The particular challenge for them is that they are quite large, and everything underground is usually typically restricted in space. Every ton or square meter of rock that has to be excavated out has a particular cost. So they tend to make the travel ways for these vehicles very small. Oftentimes it's only tailored for one vehicle width of traffic. So it's not a two-lane road. You might run into another vehicle, then there's a certain procedure for who has the right of way. Oftentimes these particular vehicles have to yield the right of way and have to make way for much bigger equipment. So in order to do that, they would have to either back up, which can be difficult with some of the visibility of these pieces of equipment, and have to back up into a very narrow cutout or kind of like an escape way where the vehicle could back up into and let the other vehicle go by and then be able to continue down the ramp. Oftentimes these vehicles run into, walls, rock walls, or other equipment just due to lack of visibility from being able to see them. Utility vehicles often have to get into other tight spaces, so being able to monitor and see to give the operator a better visibility of his piece of equipment and other equipment that could be nearing would help them a great deal in being able to keep the equipment in running shape and improve safety. Just to reiterate the challenge statement, so how might we improve operator visibility of a mining vehicle while operating underground? Thank you.